Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to hide your name on your PayPal business account. So you know that you need to have a PayPal account and it must be verified before you can do this. First thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account and go to the profile section. Click on business profile or account profile for some accounts. Next you have to scroll down to the business information section. Click on the edit button next to business name. Select No next to show my business name. It's as simple as that. Now, it's important for you to note that hiding your name may not be allowed for certain types of transactions or accounts, and PayPal may require you to verify your identity or account information to maintain account security. By following these steps, you should be able to hide your name on PayPal. If you have any issues or concerns, you can contact PayPal's customer support for assistance.